Hello everyone, Brandon Stewart here with another tutorial by AttributeStudios.com. In this video we'll be showing you an exercise called the gesture drawing. This is a simple, albeit pretty challenging sketching method that is meant to teach you how to capture the motion of whatever it is you're drawing, say a person or an animal or a tree. Ideally you would want to do this using a live model that can do a bunch of poses over a short amount of time. So a typical gesture drawing is done in small increments, say from about seconds, 5 to 10 seconds, up to about 5 minutes. This exercise is not meant to be perfect. It's not meant to get all proportions correctly. It's just meant to be able to look at an object and see how it's moving. And the drawing is to capture that motion. So to give you an example of how a gesture drawing works, I'll be sketching from a picture, which isn't ideal, for about a minute. So I'll be doing a really quick sketch to illustrate how a gesture drawing works. Before we get into the exercise, here are a few examples of gesture drawings done by master artists. All right, now that you're inspired, let's get to drawing. So first thing you're gonna need is some reference. I would suggest going online and finding a picture of a person or an animal in an interesting pose that you would want to capture the motion of. Also, I would suggest anyone new to gesture drawing to keep their sketches down to 1 minute to 2 minutes per pose. Also, be patient. This is a tricky exercise. It can be very frustrating. If I'm being honest, the video you're about to watch, I did about 20 other videos before that were not very good. So it takes some time, but it's really good exercise to warm up for other drawings and just to keep your eyes seeing things for their motion and their movement. So good luck. So a few things to keep in mind as you're doing your gesture drawing. 1, make all of your pencil strokes very loose. Don't micromanage all of your lines. 2, make sure you're paying attention to the relationships between all of the shapes. 3, try to work really quickly. Don't get caught up in all the fine details. Just try to get all the lines in there and all the basic shapes in there. And finally, 4, try to have fun with this exercise. It's not easy. It's not always fun because it can be very frustrating, but try to loosen up. Try to approach it in a way that will encourage you to just be free. Just put the strokes on there. Don't really care too much if they are accurate or in the wrong place. Just try to find the lines, find the movement, and do this over and over and over. All right, guys, take care.